on my way to go pick up Jackie, and we're just gonna go hang out today. Do your laugh. Say go R.
R.
Ahoy, mateys.
Hi, matey.
You're even blinking your eyes. What are you eating? What is it? Ice cream?
Yes.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Are you vlogging for me?
Hey.
I don't have my witch hat though.
Oh. Get your wrist hat. Get your hat wrap. Get your...
You can see the reindeer. This is a nice tree.
Oh, it has the Eiffel Tower. I love Eiffel Towers.
Do you see it? Do you see the reindeer?
Yes.
Aren't you ready for Christmas, love?
There's another one.
Right here.
It's moving. Oh, look, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Look.
Yeah, so cute.
one.
Oh, look. And then here's some more.
I found one.
Oh my god.
I found one.
And the
With
abominable
wings.
I
snowman.
found one.
Oh, it must be an
Look.
angel.
That's
Cute. Snoopy.
closing.
Rudolph.
Look.
The abominable snowman. What's his name again?
Isn't that from Star Wars? Oh, if not, let's
Look.
Yeah.
He named
Oh,
it
he
like
knows that?
He's a Star
Oh,
Wars.
he's a geek.
Yeah,
He's a geek.
exactly.
Buddy, go grab
Okay,
your
let me
more
go get a cup. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. So today is another vlog day. I'm hanging out with my two good friends. You guys all know TB, and I'm also going to be hanging out with my friend Mai. So we've been friends since high school, so today is a day to just catch up and chill, also to run some errands. But I wanted to just kind of show off my outfit real quick, just in case I don't get a chance to. Let's go to the big mirror here. So decided to curl my hair today and wear a hat, and then pair it with this basic, why isn't it focusing? Basic flowy camisole dress from Cotton On, and this necklace. So for the window, because this one has like snowflakes, so that one's kind of cool.
I should hold
And spray?
spray the window like.
You should! You should do it before Christian wakes up, so he'll be like, oh my god, it's snowing.
Your mom is
Mommy,
gonna do it. Oh.
Daddy, where's Mommy, where's Daddy, where's Mom? Hi guys! So it's November 8th and I'm stuck in traffic. I left a little bit early for work today, but oh my god, I just needed to show you guys that it's raining. Finally, we get some like cold weather. So like I'm in sweater weather attire today for work, and I want to rock my dark lippies, but anyways, stuff is moving, so I'm gonna shut this off now.